Okay.
All right, last piece of this video is the guy line and also anchor to attach it to terra firma. So what you do, and if you don't mind coming here, so you basically just loop this up, you attach it, make sure that it's firm, and then you go down. You can make this shorter, and I will do that. Just make sure. Well, first you don't want to trip on this, but I'll make this shorter now. So here we go. So just make this a little shorter, like around here, maybe a little more, like here, perhaps even more. So here, and then what you do, you have your anchor and you just put it in the ground. I didn't bring a hammer. Came prepared except for that part. What you do, you just push it into the ground. Luckily these are not plastic, these are steel, so they're firm, and I'll push it down later. And then the last thing that you do is just tie this all up and make sure that they don't disconnect. Lastly, just to show you how well this works, as Town & Country and the Grand Caravan, they have sliding doors, and I'll show you how this doesn't interrupt with the contours of the MoonShade. So that means this is, you know, like, yeah, it would touch a little bit, but it's not like scratching it or making like damage or causing damage to your vehicle or to the shade. I hope this helps. Thank you.